Well, we're now, it's Sunday, above 81 degrees or thereabouts, north latitude, up in the ice. This is like deadliest catch here, almost here, but different part of the world here. But here's the ice, a little breaking up, but a lot thicker up there. It looks pretty solid as you look up in that area here. And we saw a polar bear out in the ice. It's so far away you won't be able to see it with the GoPro. But I did get a picture with my other camera. And it looks like there might be some seals up there too, down on the ice over there. But lots of people up here.
I will ask you to lower their voices because they are stressed. If the animal stress is going into the water, we are not seeing it more.
Yeah, keep the voice down
we
here.
have to lower our voices when
Be
we
a
are
little quiet. All right.
To the left of the black bait, straight, and then go a little bit over that way. Use your binoculars.
I'm here on the front of the ship here, and we're pretty quiet because there's some seals and polar bears out there. So a little mist coming down with a little misty rain, not very much, but you can see out there where we're heading, all the way out there. We're in the ice here, so moving along. We're going to see how far north we can get. So this boat's made to take some ice, and you can feel it every now and then if it hits a piece. Then, so all right, and one-man travel here for you. There's a polar bear. He's right up here. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's very close to the front of the ship, and he's coming closer. He's sniffing us. You can see us. He's right up in there. I'll try to zoom in on this video a little bit later then. Okay. Okay, Mr. Polar Bear is now going away. He's right up there somewhere. He's walking away from us. He came in a little closer earlier. And he checked us out, did some sniffing, didn't like what he smelled. And now he's heading the opposite way here, I guess. A little bit of fond farewell to Mr. Polar Bear. It was nice of him to visit us, though. We did appreciate it. Okay, everybody was out here to get their picture taken. We're all heading back now. Guys are up there taking our photo. They had a sign down there. You can't see it now, but come back here and right on the bow of the ship. We're going up toward the ice pack up here. So a little drizzle out here, not too bad, but yeah, here's the ice. We're heading forward. Still looking for more polar bears and whatnot here. So we'll have to see. But got the bell here. I've been tempted to ring it. I don't know what it would do here, but all right. Well, we're outside here. We're the 7 Islands here, which is one of the northernmost points. There's another vessel that we saw the other day, and that must be their zodiacs out there, not ours. So there's these little islands up here. It's a little windy. I should have put the little cozy on the GoPro here. I might go down inside and go back and get it then. All right. Hey, there goes that other ship that we saw down there, and that must be their zodiacs. Maybe they're looking for fish or seals or doing something. Maybe it's research, but these are 7 islands. There's, well, I don't know if there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it looks like, I guess they're pretty big islands here. So if there's 7, but it's a little windy out here. I got the little cozy on here, and there's one guy by himself out there. Maybe that's ours. I don't know.
Our north?
I don't know. And we got a little sun up there. Sun is up there.
Okay.
There's puffins, 2 on the left, Kathy. Right there, those are puffins.
What was there? What was there?
A puffin.
Oh.
Puffin.
Oh, puffin. I thought it was a whale or something.
Puffin is great.
That was a puffin. It wasn't a whale or anything there. So there was a enthusiastic excitement over a puffin here. So, but look at that little sun out there. See the horizon, and I'm here on the bow of the ship, looking out here, exploring in points unknown here. So yeah, we'll turn around, we'll look, and we'll see the folks up top there and back of me. You can see folks up on top of the ship up there. I'm down here. So maybe they're all going to wave. I don't know. They're going to wave. Give me a wave. That's good. Give me a wave. All right, all right. Got a wave up there. People are getting crazy over a puffin. Crazy over a puffin here. It's like people are going berserk over a puffin. I'm waiting for a whale here. You know, they're all going like craziness here. So I don't know. I think I'm going to go up to the upper deck where there's less puffin enthusiasm here. Okay. Well, I'm up here a little higher. I got the little sponge thing on here a little bit, but yeah, there's where I was earlier down there, and this is the northernmost that they said this OAT tour has ever been on this, or something like that. And we got the sun up there, and there's sun up there. Hey, son, enjoying that? A little breezy up here. There's craziness for the puffins down at the bottom there. I'd get crazy over a whale if I saw that, but I don't know about a puffin. All right, we're up at the top here, very top of the ship up there, and there's we're in the place in there. We're going to have the tea, and which is going on right now. So I'm just going to mosey around here. Everybody's bundled up here, checking everything out, and down here, I don't know if we're going south or north or east or west. I think we're probably going, yeah, I think we're going east because we're going around the island then.
Look at that view.
So, but yeah, see all these islands. I'll have to figure it out with the latitude and longitude here and post that for you so you know what this is. All right. Well, here's the TV in my room. I don't know if you can see it when they were talking about earlier, showing those 7 islands. You're not going to see it too well because of the 50 cycle lights, but we're right here, and those islands right there. We're going around. I'll have to show you a different map, but this is you know, I think maybe on some other trips they never got to this point or had foggy weather and couldn't see it or whatever, but yeah, so this is where we're going up here and down here, and we went up here earlier up in this area to the ice pack. Now we're coming back down to these 7 islands. I don't know if we're going here. I don't think so. It's going to take too long to go around there. We're probably going to come back down here and in there. Okay. Well, I'm on my balcony. Today is Sunday, and we're still up by these various islands up in the north section. I'll have to put it down here or down in the description of the video, or insert a map or something, but we're coming along with chunks of ice alongside the ship here, and the ship has a good ice hull so we can go through this ice no problemo. And yeah, there's the back of the ship there as we're going along. Here's one of the big lifeboats. I don't want to put my GoPro over the water for fear I might drop it, and so I'm trying to be very careful here. And yeah, so not too much ice right now, but you can feel it in the ship every time it hits like a big chunk or something. You can feel the ship, you know, shake a little bit, little noise that you hear there, but nothing that the ship can't handle there. So yeah, so we're cruising around here. Later on this evening, in about an hour, we'll get an update, and they'll show us on the map where we have been today and where we're going and that type of thing, which is true of my life also. I'd like to know where I've been and where I'm going there. I wish somebody could explain that to me for life in general. Okay, look at that blue down there underneath of there. These chunks of ice that have fallen off. Oh, pretty neat stuff there. Yeah, there it is. That's cold water there. Cold water. Okay, cold water and ice making me think of getting a little cocktail here, maybe here. I don't know. I see some more blue coming up there. A lot of it in this area here too. Okay.